In this video, I'm going to describe how to create a 30,000 foot level metric for a single response over time. So this is the data that was used to create in Management 2.0 figure 9.7. So what I'm going to use is this software to actually recreate that particular figure. So if we go in and get into the chart builder, I'm going to browse and I'm going to select that particular data set that I just showed you. If you notice on the right hand side, it shows what the columns are. So it's important for the spreadsheet to have only the columns that you're going to use. Typically it's only 2 columns. You don't want to have extra columns in your data set. So in this particular case, we have to choose is it no subgroup, subgroup, or attribute. Well, in this case, it's no subgroup. So now what columns are going to plot? Well, what you do is you highlight this over here because I'm going to plot expenses. I'm going to do a Control-C and I'm going to put that into the column we're plotting. You'll see that it creates a chart for us automatically. So that's really good. Now we can change, since we don't have a specification, what it's doing is reporting down here is the median value and 80% frequency occurrence of values that we have in this region of stability, because right now we have a region of stability that's so it's considered to be a stable process. Okay, so now what we can do is we can go in and add an x-axis to that, which is months. So now it puts months for us. And we're going to have the chart title is it going to be expense. And the y-axis value is going to be dollars. And the x-axis is going to be months. Okay, so now if we go back and look at what we have up here in the chart, we'll see it entered the values that we had. Now what you can also do is you can go in and save this image as, and we're going to make it as a PNG file. And it's going to be in this certain directory we have over here. So now if we go back to that directory here or start looking what that looks like, I guess we could open it over here. So that's what our chart looks like. So we've basically tracked at a 30,000 foot level expense. And now we're stating that it's got a certain expense of $100,000, $104,000 or so, no, whatever that is. And the 80% of the time it's between this and that month. So if you got any questions about the application of these techniques, be sure to contact us at info@smartersolutions.com.